We're at it again. We're at Starbucks and looking for that guilt-free fix for some chocolate and caramel and vanilla. It's gonna be delicious. Let's go. Got somebody special on your Christmas list? Don't forget to check out our local love shop. Check the description below for more info. Hi Localtarians, it's Amanda and we are out and about. I know I say it every time, but we are. We're about to pull out of our space here and head over and grab us some Starbucks. I had a little doctor's appointment today. I had a little weigh-in. Down another 9 pounds, you know, that kind of thing. Technically, I've lost a total of 11 pounds altogether, but 9 more pounds from where I was last time that I weighed. So very, very cool. We'll take what we can get. And yeah, keto helps me keep that. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna go grab us some caffeine though, because you know, I had to leave out to go to my doctor's appointment and didn't get a chance to drink, but like, you know, a couple swallows of my coffee. So let's go grab some. I still have a gift card, so I already ordered it and it's going to be waiting for us at the drive-thru. It's really nice. If you use their app, which again, not sponsored or anything by Starbucks. However, honestly, if you use their app, you're doing good. Their app makes it easy for you to order from pretty much anywhere. Some places only have counter service, but we have a drive-through, so we are using the drive-through. And you just go up, you tell them who your drink was for. They've got your name because it's on the app. And at that point, you can go ahead and pick up your drink. So it's very cool. So we're gonna head over there now. So we're fairly close. Guys, I hope you're all having a wonderful holiday. It is what it is. This is our last chance to get a little holiday kind of festive drink. We're gonna go for a hot coffee today. It's gonna sort of be caramel chocolate, yummy. So caramel, I don't know what to call it, but I'll say it's a keto caramel chocolate blonde roast. I also got a shot of espresso. So this one's a little bit more than your typical. It's about $5.50 for this drink, give or take, because it's like 90 cents to add a shot of espresso. So you could choose not to do that and it'd still be delicious. I just thought having that might make it a little more rich, a little more delicious. So yes, and I'm getting cinnamon put on it as well. So yeah, it'll kind of have that festive feel, I think. I haven't tried this one, so we'll see what we think. Is it real Christmassy? I wouldn't say so, no. I probably could have done something a little more festive, but we sort of did that on the last one, and I wanted to try something just sort of more like yummy, something really good. Most of their sauces or their regular syrups tend to be a little bit heavy on the carbs, so I went with my sugar-free vanilla because it's the only option they give us now. Come on, Starbucks, we love you and all, but we need more. Now, I'm not a huge Starbucks person, guys. I know it seems like I do a lot of Starbucks videos. This time of year, it seems like it's the thing to do. People want keto options. Just because I'm not so much a Starbucks person doesn't mean that you guys don't want to know more about keto Starbucks drinks. So I am doing it a little bit more this season than I would normally. But yeah, why not? Let's just have a little fun with it and enjoy some Starbucks. Guys, make sure that you go over to our Spotify and support some local music. Also, if you want some of our merch, guys, go to our local love shop. The description will have the link, and you too can get one of these great support local music shirts. This one's long sleeve, but you can get them in short sleeve, you can get them in hoodies, and in a variety of colors. I started to get it in orange, but I already had an orange shirt, and I was like, how many orange shirts can you have? My hair is literally everywhere, guys. So we are gonna probably pick up a little bit of noise as we go by. I've got the window down and just kind of chilling. It's a little bit brisk today. It's lovely. Filming this on Thursday, the 22nd. So I don't know when I'm gonna upload it yet, but possibly soon. Yeah. And if you haven't already seen it, make sure you check out our local love report. We have put that up today, and it is basically, I was so busy that I had to turn over the duties to my rat. So Zero is taking over, and I think that you will really enjoy Zero's input to our events, and it'll be a lot of fun. So don't worry if you have trouble understanding Zero, because of course we did put a full list of the events in the description for you, just in case he talks a little fast. I mean, he is a rat after all. You know, English is not his first language. He normally just kind of goes squeak. So he's doing pretty good. But definitely check it out. It's a lot of fun, and I think you're going to find there's some great events going on over this coming weekend. So definitely don't miss out on that. We put a new one of those up every Wednesday, and I put it up early this morning for all you guys planning so much going on this weekend. So I wanted to make sure you guys had plenty of time to check it out. All right, guys, we are in line and we are ready. So I'm excited. I was looking and thinking about adding like cold foam to it, but all their cold foams have sugar and are about 15 carbs, and that's not my journey today. Not looking to have that many carbs because I drink a drink. You know, if I'm gonna get 15 carbs, it's gonna be off of eating something delicious. You know what I'm saying? Also, question for you guys, drop me a comment on this. What are you guys having for Christmas dinner? Are you guys having a ham? Are you having a turkey? Are you having a tofurkey? Are you eating a vegan, or a turkey log, or, what is your go-to? What kind of thing are you going to be having for your holiday dinner? It is neat that they have like snowman cookies and birthday pops. Too bad we don't have any options for us. Well, we do. We have the eggs and cheddar protein box, which would probably be fine for keto. All right, let me let them know I am here.
Good afternoon, welcome to Starbucks. What can we get started for you?
Yes, I put in an order for pickup, Amanda.
Okay, we'll have that for you at the window. Thank you.
Thank you. It's that simple, guys. All right. Have you guys wrapped all your presents? Because that's what I've got to do today. So we're going to be doing that next. But probably won't do that one with you. Also, for those of you that like to keep up on my hair, I am about to do another crazy hair time video. I haven't quite decided for sure what I want to do. I've already got my dye colors. I've got 3 different colors: teal, lagoon blue, and fuchsia. And so I think we're gonna have a lot of fun with it, but I'm trying to decide what I want to do. I might do something braided again, or I might just section my hair off into 3, who knows? Do one side teal and one side blue and then fuchsia for the majority. I don't know. If you have a theory on what you'd like to see, drop a comment on this video, and your idea might get picked. If you guys are still looking for your holiday gifts, or you're going to be sending holiday gifts a little later and you still need to get a few, make sure that you check out some of our videos, guys. We have a video for gifts for her, and then we have a video that is local Orlando Etsy shops. And that one is really neat because in addition to the 10 shops that we actually highlight in the video, you're going to see a lot of other shops and a lot of other things as we're going through and looking at the Etsy page. And I show you how you can go in and pick Orlando shops. It's very neat. All right, we're coming up here. We've already paid for it, so picking it up to go. Hello.
How are you?
Good.
And
Yes, thank you very much. Happy holidays now. You guys, this meal's good. All right, I got the venti because I was ready for some caffeine. So we're gonna go pull in over here and hope that we get a little shade here from this tree. I don't know if we will. Might be a little sunny, guys. If it is, I'll apologize. I'm gonna try to pull in where you can kind of see me a little bit better, maybe. I don't know, I might back up slightly. That's a lot of sun, huh? Well, we're gonna deal with it. All right, I'm gonna put that window up so we don't get all that noise. All right, guys, so here's what I got. I'm gonna show it to you guys first. All right, so here's what we have. It's a venti blonde roast, and you can choose what size you want, you know. It's got a caramel drizzle, a mocha drizzle, almond milk, just like a splash of almond milk, 3 stevias, cinnamon powder, 4 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. You can choose to do less if you want. Each pump is 1 carb, so keep that in mind. And a single shot of espresso. So first of all, ooh, and smell that cinnamon. It smells delightful, guys. It really does. We're gonna just try to put this back in and try not to get burned, stirring it up a little bit. We're gonna give it a little vortex, a little zhuzh, as I like to say. Okay, that's gonna have to do. Let's see what we have here. So now you could probably take this same concept and do it as a cold drink as well. Ooh, ooh, they put quite a bit of cinnamon in here. I'm gonna give it a little bit harder of a zhuzh here. Okay, there, I got a little caramel that time. I mostly got cinnamon right off the bat, but my guess is that's because the cinnamon typically floats. It's highly cinnamon. They put a lot of cinnamon in this apparently, which I'm not mad at them. I love cinnamon. I'm just gonna try to get a little chocolate taste maybe. All right, now that I've drinking it a little, I'm gonna reach down and start. Yeah, they put a lot of cinnamon in it. I can still see it. And I am not mad about that. We're gonna get down here to the bottom and stir up this drizzle, because the problem is when you don't have like whipped cream, which you don't want to do that, it's gonna be too many carbs really. I mean, you can if you want to account for that, go for it. Okay. I really like adding the espresso. It was a great idea. I think that it really was a great idea. Oop, I am gonna make a mess. There we go. Got a little chocolate that time. So yeah, you might have to stir it up or ask them to stir it up for you. Because when you put a drizzle in, it sinks. When you don't have anything for it to rest on, like whipped cream or foam. So it sinks. They might even put it in on the inside edge of the cups. I don't know how they do their drizzle. Usually it's on top of things, but from my previous experience on my last video, the drizzle went all the way to the bottom. And we didn't get as much of it until we stirred it good. Okay, there we go. Now we got some caramel and some chocolate and the cinnamon still. So this is really good. It still seems very holiday. I don't know, probably because of the cinnamon, you know. But at the end of the day, guys, if you're looking for a great keto drink, I mean, this one's gonna be a good one. I like it. I think this would be really good on cold, and I think with the drizzle being cold, that might make a better difference too. You never know. I don't know if I've tried it that way. Oh my. There we go. I feel like they jumped a bunch of cinnamon in this sucker, but it's very cinnamony, It's very delicious. Sorry, guys. I have so much hair. How many of you think I should cut this hair? How short would you think I should cut it? Leave me a comment down below. Should I get a bob? Should I get bangs? Should I just have them put some long layers in it? What do you guys think? I mean, I know I probably need to get these ends at the very minimum need to be trimmed. And right now, as you can see, my hair is still sort of a blue, kind of just a pale blue with a little bit of purple still in it, if you can see it. So we'll see what we can decide to do with the hair. That'll be goals. And other than that, guys, I hope that you have an absolutely wonderful holiday. And hopefully this gets up before the holiday. If it doesn't, I apologize. But either way, I hope you had a great holiday if that happens. And that no matter what you celebrate, just spend some time with your family and friends. Do something that you don't get to do very often. Have yourself a wonderful time and enjoy, whether you're eating something special or maybe you just picked something up from the store and heated it up at home. Anything can be an occasion for speciality. Just make sure that you reach out to your friends and make sure that everybody's doing okay. This time of year can be pretty tough on people sometimes. And with COVID and everything else, make sure you check in on your friends and make sure that they're all doing okay. All right, guys. Well, that is going to be it for this video. Don't forget to go over and check out Zero, giving our Local Love Report. It is up right now. So make sure you don't miss out on that. And other than that, guys, peace. We'll catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.